Hey guys, Stacy, George, Addie, Kenzie, Florida Parks After Dark, and we are heading to
Epcot.
Epcot. Let's take a little drive, guys. The most magical place on earth. Turn it so you can see it. Oh, I think we got a light show going. Can't see it through the... All right, I'm just going to show you the gates then if you guys can't see it. Here we go. Welcome to Epcot. And the little secret that we taught you guys, right? Remember? About an hour before park close. Drive on right through. Welcome home, guys. Welcome to Epcot. Woo! Things. Here at Florida Parks, we like to take you guys right along with us. Here we go. It's the colors of Figment tonight. Look at Now, for those of you that don't know, inside that big, beautiful ball is actually a ride. It is a ride called Spaceship Earth, and it is one of the most iconic rides at Walt Disney World, and it's definitely one of our favorites. It's usually the first ride and the last ride. Welcome to Epcot, guys. I want to take you up as close as we can to the ball. The sights and the sounds of Epcot. It's park closing time, so everyone is getting ready to head on home. Just wanted to give you guys 1 minute just to see the ball. This is Stacy from Florida Parks After Dark, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, get out there and live. Because today is the day to live your best life ever.